Hey, what's up, guys? It's Future Tech Vids, and we've got something really special for you today. We're going to take a look at the top 10 futuristic weapons and modern fighting vehicles that are already being used by militaries around the world. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button to show your support and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell too so you never miss out on our amazing content. Alright, let's get started. First up, the Future Origin 12 shotgun. So what makes the Future Origin 12 shotgun so special? For starters, it's a fully automatic shotgun that can unleash a barrage of bullets in seconds, making it perfect for taking out multiple targets at once. And with a whopping 20-round drum magazine, you won't have to worry about reloading in the middle of a firefight. But that's not all. The Future Origin 12 shotgun is also incredibly versatile. It can be customized with a variety of attachments such as optics, flashlights, and foregrips to suit your specific needs, and thanks to its unique gas piston system, it has minimal recoil, making it easy to control even in the most high-pressure situations. So whether you're a military operator, law enforcement officer, or just a gun enthusiast looking for the ultimate shotgun, the Future Origin 12 is the way to go. Get yours today and experience the power and precision of this tactical masterpiece. Electromagnetic railgun is next up. The electromagnetic railgun is an incredible piece of technology that harnesses the power of electromagnetism to launch projectiles at incredible speeds. This futuristic weapon is like something out of a science fiction movie, using powerful magnetic fields to accelerate projectiles to hypersonic velocities. Imagine a sleek and powerful weapon that can launch a projectile at speeds of over Mach 7, capable of punching through almost any material with ease. The electromagnetic railgun is just such a weapon, using electromagnetic energy to propel a projectile along a set of rails, accelerating it to incredible velocities in a matter of milliseconds. Taser Shockwave. The Taser Shockwave is the ultimate crowd control weapon designed to take out multiple targets at once with stunning precision. It consists of multiple Taser X26 stun guns that are all connected to a central control unit, allowing you to fire them all at once in a wide arc. And get this, the Taser Shockwave is also fully customizable, with the ability to control the range and spread of the stun gun to suit your specific needs. So whether you're dealing with a small group of protesters or a large mob, the Taser Shockwave is the weapon of choice for controlling the situation. But that's not all. The Taser Shockwave is also designed to be safe and effective. Its stun guns use an advanced electrical pulse technology that's been proven to be both safe and effective in immobilizing targets without causing any lasting harm. And thanks to its remote activation system, you can fire the stun guns from a safe distance, ensuring your own safety while taking down the threat. Precision-guided firearms. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to introduce you to a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing the way we shoot. Precision-guided firearms. Precision-guided firearms, or PGFs for short, are a new type of rifle that uses cutting-edge technology to improve accuracy and range, making it the perfect weapon for long-range shooting. They use a system of sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to guide the bullet towards the target. Even if the shooter is off target, and that's not all, the PGF also comes with a range of advanced features to take shooting to the next level. It has an automatic rangefinder, which calculates the distance to the target and adjusts the scope accordingly. It also has a ballistic calculator that takes into account environmental factors such as wind and humidity, ensuring a precise shot every time. Laser weapon systems. These are designed to be used against a variety of targets, including aircraft, missiles, drones, and boats. They have several advantages over traditional weapons, including their speed and accuracy, as well as their ability to operate silently and without producing explosive force. Some of the challenges associated with developing and using laser weapon systems include the need for a large and reliable power source, the requirement for precision targeting, and the potential for collateral damage if the beam is not properly controlled. Despite these challenges, laser weapon systems are increasingly being developed and deployed by militaries around the world. They have been tested and used in a variety of situations, including by the United States Navy, to successfully shoot down drones and small boats. Phaser Rifle. The phaser rifle is a truly amazing weapon that has captured the imagination of science fiction fans for decades. This iconic rifle is a symbol of futuristic technology and is capable of unleashing a devastating energy beam that can stun, disrupt, or disintegrate targets with incredible precision. Just imagine holding this sleek and powerful weapon in your hands, feeling its weight and heft as you take aim at your target. With a gentle squeeze of the trigger, the phaser rifle emits a bright and intense energy beam that can cut through almost any substance, leaving nothing but a smoldering pile of ash in its wake. So whether you're a science fiction fan or just fascinated by cutting-edge technology, the phaser rifle is an amazing invention that captures the imagination and inspires us to dream of a better, more advanced future. Aromatic Smart Pistol. Today we're going to talk about a weapon that is straight out of a science fiction movie, the Aromatic Smart Pistol. This bad boy is the ultimate firearm for any secret agent, bounty hunter, or even a regular civilian who wants to protect themselves. So what makes the Aromatic Smart Pistol so special? Well, for starters, it's equipped with a state-of-the-art targeting system that uses infrared and laser technology to lock onto a target with pinpoint accuracy. And get this, it even has a smart scent system that emits a special odor to distract a target, making it easier to take them down. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. This pistol is also equipped with a biometric scanner that ensures only the authorized user can fire it. That means no more worries about losing your weapon or having it fall into the wrong hands. And if all that isn't enough, the Aromatic Smart Pistol is also modular, meaning you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Want a larger magazine or a different barrel length? No problem. Just swap out the parts and you're good to go. So whether you're a secret agent on a mission, a bounty hunter tracking down a fugitive, or just a regular person who wants the ultimate protection, the Aromatic Smart Pistol is the weapon of choice. Get yours today and step into the future of firearms technology. Hydrodynamic Explosive Munition. Have you ever heard of a weapon that can literally make the water explode? Well, get ready to witness the Hydrodynamic Explosive Munition, or HEM, a weapon that's designed to take out any threat that dares to cross the water. The HEM is a type of explosive munition that's specifically designed for use in water-based combat scenarios. When fired, it penetrates the water with ease and then detonates, unleashing a devastating shockwave that can take out anything in its path. What makes the HEM so effective is its unique hydrodynamic design. It's shaped to move through the water with minimal resistance, ensuring maximum speed and accuracy. And thanks to its powerful explosive charge, it can take out even the toughest underwater targets with ease. So whether you're a naval operator, Coast Guard officer, or just someone who wants to add some serious firepower to their watercraft, the Hydrodynamic Explosive Munition is the ultimate weapon of choice. Get yours today and dominate the waters like never before. Black Knight Unmanned Combat Vehicle. The Black Knight is an unmanned combat vehicle that can be operated remotely or through an autonomous system, making it the perfect weapon for risky missions that put human lives in danger. It's equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, anti-tank missiles, and a 7.62mm machine gun, giving it the ability to take out any target with ease. But that's not all. The Black Knight is also designed for speed and agility. Its advanced suspension system allows it to navigate even the toughest terrain, while its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. And with a top speed of 70 km per hour, it can quickly move in and out of combat zones, making it the perfect tool for hit-and-run tactics. And let's not forget about its impressive armor. The Black Knight is built with composite armor and reactive armor tiles that provide unmatched protection against enemy fire, ensuring the safety of its operators and maximizing its effectiveness on the battlefield. Laser Avenger. Imagine a sleek and powerful vehicle that can zip across any terrain, its powerful engine roaring as it approaches its target. Now, picture a bright and focused laser beam emanating from the vehicle's roof, honing in on its target with deadly accuracy. That's the Laser Avenger in action. But the Laser Avenger is not just a weapon of war, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and innovation. Its advanced laser technology is the result of decades of research and development, and it represents the cutting edge of what's possible in the realm of directed energy weapons. So the Laser Avenger is not just a vehicle, it's a marvel of modern engineering, a shining example of what can be accomplished when humans harness the power of science and technology for the greater good. Thanks for tuning in to our Top 10 Future Weapons video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the incredible weapons and technologies that could shape the future of warfare and beyond. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Remember, these weapons are just a glimpse into what's possible with human ingenuity and innovation. So let's keep pushing the boundaries of science and technology. And who knows what incredible inventions we'll discover in the years to come. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.